Hello, welcome back to MATLAB. Today we are going to solve a rational equation. So, we have x over 1 multiplied by 2 plus x over 2 multiplied by 3 plus x over 3 multiplied by 4 plus until we have x over 99 multiplied by 100 equals with 99 over 15. So, what can we observe in here? We see that we have this sequence of numbers. So, we will try to find a pattern in this sequence. So, the pattern is this one. X over 2 with x over 2. X over 3 with x over 3, yes? So, in order to solve this pattern, we will factorize x. So, we'll have x multiplied by, around parentheses, x divided by x equals 1 over 1 multiplied by 2 plus x over x equals 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by 4 plus until we have 1 over 99 multiplied by 100 equals with 99 over 15. What do we have in here? We have another sequence numbers. How we are going to solve this sequence? We can rewrite those fractions. So we have 1 over 1 multiplied by 2 equals with 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2. Furthermore, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 3 equals with 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Furthermore, we have 1 over 3 multiplied by 4 equals with 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4. And so on until we have 1 over 99 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 1 over 99 minus 1 over 100. We can go back and for each other from these inequalities, we can do a verification. Like that, equals with. We have a common factor which is 2. In here we multiply by 2. So we have 2 minus 1 over 1 or 2, which is equal with 1 over 1 multiplied by 2, which is exactly the initial fraction, only that we have rewrite it in this way. Also in here, equals with, we amplified with 3 and 2, and we have 3 minus 2 over 2 or 3, which is equal with 1 over 2 multiplied by 3. And here also, in the same way, here we multiply by 4 and here we multiply by 3. So we have 4 minus 3 over 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal with 3 multiplied by 4. The same fraction, yes? Only that in here we have another way to rewrite our initial fraction. So in here also we have 100 minus 99 over 900 multiplied by 100. So let's go furthermore. Now if we write in this way our fraction, we are going to replace those fractions write it in this way in our initial sequences. So we have x multiplied around parentheses 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 4 until we have 1 over 99 minus 1 over 100 equals with 99 over 15. What we can observe in here? In here, we can simplify these fractions, yes? And this one with the first one of here. So, we have as result as follows. X multiplied by round parentheses, it remains the first fraction, yes, this one remains, and we have 1 over 1 minus 1 over 100 because it remains also this one equals with 99 over 50. Now it's more simple, yes? It's very easy now. How we are going to do this subtracting? We have in here common factors. So we have x multiplied by 100 minus 1 over 100 equals with 99 over 50. Yes? After that, we have x multiplied by 999 over 100 equals with 99 over 50. So results that x equals with 99 over 50 divided by 99 over 100. So how do we do a division of fractions? We will write the first fractions yes, multiplied with the second one, yes. So in here we simplify 99 with 99, and also we simplify 50 with 100 by 50. So results that our x equals with 2. So this is it for today. If you understood this method, hit the like and subscribe button. If you not, leave me a comment. Thank you.